Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 26, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Rex American Resources, a leading ethanol production company. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Rex American Resources has just released their full fiscal year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives like their ethanol production expansion and carbon capture projects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Rex American Resources reported net sales and revenue of $158.2 million for the fourth quarter and $642.5 million for the full fiscal year 2024. John, how does this compare to last year?
Rex saw a decrease in revenue compared to the previous year, with Q4 revenue down from $187.6 million and full-year revenue down from $833.4 million in 2023. This decline is primarily due to reduced pricing for ethanol and co-products. However, they managed to maintain a solid gross profit margin, with Q4 gross profit at $17.6 million and full-year gross profit at $91.5 million.
Despite the revenue drop, it seems like they've managed their costs well.
Exactly. The gross profit margin increased to 14% from 12% last year, thanks to decreased corn and natural gas prices and increased ethanol production levels.
Earnings per share and analyst forecast. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Rex reported an adjusted EPS of 63 cents for Q4 and $3.30 for the full fiscal year. How does this compare to analyst expectations?
Rex significantly outperformed the analyst forecast of 27 cents for Q4. The actual EPS of 63 cents is more than double the expected figure, showcasing their ability to manage profitability despite revenue challenges.
That's impressive. What does this mean for investors?
It indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management, which are positive signs for investors looking for stability and growth potential in the ethanol sector.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Rex is also making strategic moves with their ethanol production expansion and carbon capture projects. Can you elaborate on these initiatives?
Rex is progressing with the expansion of their ethanol production at the One Earth facility and the carbon capture project. They've completed key construction work, and while the permitting process for the carbon capture facility is ongoing, they expect it to be completed by October 2025. The total capital expenditure for these projects is now budgeted at $220 to $230 million.
And what about their share buyback program?
The board has authorized an additional 1.5 million share buyback, which is a strong signal of confidence in the company's future prospects and a way to return value to shareholders.
Management commentary and market reaction. What insights did we get from the management commentary, and how has the market reacted to this report?
CEO Zafar Rizvi emphasized the company's focus on operational efficiency and strategic growth projects. The market has reacted positively, appreciating the strong guidance and the company's proactive approach to managing costs and expanding capabilities.
It seems like Rex is well positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic initiatives and financial discipline suggest a promising outlook, especially as they navigate the challenges in the ethanol market.
Key takeaways. In summary, Rex American Resources has delivered a solid performance in fiscal year 2024, with strong earnings per share and strategic initiatives that position them well for future growth. Key takeaways include $642.5 million in revenue, an adjusted EPS of $3.30, a new 1.5 million share buyback authorization, and significant capital expenditures for their growth projects.
Absolutely. Rex's focus on efficiency and strategic expansion bodes well for their future, making them an interesting prospect for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Rex's performance in the comments below.